5 methods to earn money online. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of online opportunities. In today's digital age, making money online is easier than ever. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share 5 ways to earn money online. Method 1. Creating and selling digital products. If you have a talent for creating digital products like ebooks, courses, or software, you can sell them online. Platforms like Gumroad or Selfie can help you host and sell your products. Method 2. Drop shipping drinks involves selling products without holding any inventory. You can partner with a supplier to ship products directly to customers. Platforms like Shopify or Oberlo can help you get started. Method 3. YouTube monetization. If you have a YouTube channel with a large following, you can monetize your videos with ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. You can also use YouTube's partner program to earn money from your videos. Method 4. Online coaching or consulting. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can offer online coaching or consulting services. You can use video conferencing tools like Zoom or Skype to conduct sessions. Method 5. Creating and selling an online course. Creating and selling an online course is a great way to earn passive income. You can create a course on a topic you're knowledgeable about and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. These are just a few ways to earn money online. Remember, making money online requires effort, patience, and persistence. However, with the right mindset and skills, you can achieve success and financial freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on online opportunities and making money online.